Welcome to jQuery video series, and this is part 115, and today we are going to look at the toggle class function. Alright, so this is pretty easy. What we have here is, before we proceed, I'm assuming that you're having a jQuery file with you in your project, and you also have the reference added, in your head section in order to jQuery work. And plus also you have some JavaScript code for the execution of our jQuery instructions, which is right here. Okay, and now let's have a look at the markup. So what I have here is in H2, I have an input element as a button which I needed for the demo to prove like how the toggle works, and apart from that I have 4 paragraph tags, and they have their respective classes, and the classes are blue and green. What that means is wherever I find the class blue, I will apply the border to that element of IPX, and the color would be solid. So that's it, and that goes same for the color, right? Blue, green, and red. Okay, so now what toggle does? Toggle means, as the name suggests, whatever class you have on you will be replaced with something else, and once you try to toggle it back, it will be replaced back to its original position what it was, right? So if I preview this before toggling, if I preview this, you can see I have this paragraph here, 4 paragraphs, and we are focusing on the first one. The first one has the color as blue, and when we are going to click on this blue will turn into red, and when I click on toggle again, this red will retain its original position back to blue. So let's see that in action. For that I have to uncomment this thing, and this is pretty simple. Basically what I'm saying is, over here, once the document gets loaded, I am binding a click function. So this is the button, and I'm saying when this button gets clicked, so if I want to access this button, so I'm accessing by ID, so which is right here, and I'm writing its click event. And what I'm saying is, on this click event, I want jQuery to find all the paragraph tag, and I want the jQuery to find the first one, so which is right here. Okay, and toggle its class. So right now it's blue, so I'm toggling as red. So let me save this and let's refresh. Okay, so now if I click on toggle, so this blue will get converted to red, because that's what I'm saying. Whatever your current state is, I want you to go back to red. Alright, so let's click on it. So it's red now. So again, if I click on toggle, so it will go back to its previous state, which was blue. So let's do that. See, so that's how the toggle works. So I can keep on clicking. It will move from its present state to new state, and from new state back to the old state, right? So I hope you are getting my point. So toggle is pretty easy. So I hope you understand, and I want you to try some crazy things like on the toggling, adding more classes and adding more divs into the element, or more paragraph, some complex structure. If you get messed up somewhere, then please let me know via comments. I'll be happy to help for sure. Alright, so up next I'm going to check the has class. Alright, so once again, thank you for your time on this, and thank you for listening to me. I hope to see you there.